Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and Clerk 2022. And daily in evening, I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and Clerk. And start your preparation from today onwards with confidence. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group. And I will provide that link in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list. And we have to become our support and strength. So start your preparation and let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And tomorrow is day 24. So as usual, early in morning, revise the basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values and some formulas and some vocabulary words. So daily in morning, revise the basics of each subject and don't forget to revise the basics of any subject in early morning. And after that, give 1 hour for reading current affairs. And who are beginners, they can read from Adda 247 or Grade Up. And who are already preparing, they can from Affairs Cloud or Study IQ. So on daily basis, read daily current affairs. And after that, on daily basis, watch editorial video. And there is a live class from Adda 247 YouTube channel by Santosh sir in early morning at 8 AM. So on daily basis, watch editorial video. And after that, attempt a clerk prelims exam from one of your source on daily basis. And after attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. And after that, give 1 hour for each practicing quant and reasoning for pre-level. And today we watched a video for quant pre-level of profit and loss topic. So tomorrow practice quizzes of profit and loss topic. And also for reasoning pre-level, attempt quizzes on square and rectangular. And we have many free PDFs from Smart Kid and Practice Mark. So practice all those for our pre-level of reasoning section. And in afternoon, who are beginners, they repeat the morning schedule like practicing PDFs for your weak areas. And also, if you weak in any subject or topic, practice for that. And we have many free PDFs and quizzes from Smart Kid and Practice Mark. So practice all those for our pre-level. And in afternoon, who are preparing for mains, tomorrow attempt clerk mains exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your mistakes on a paper for the next day preparation. So make your timetable according to your weak areas. And also for our mains preparation, give 1 hour for reading banking awareness and computer awareness. So tomorrow for banking awareness, read industrial development and foreign trade topic from 102 page to 106th page. And also for computer awareness, read Microsoft Office topic from 96th page to 101 page. And these two PDFs are in our Telegram group. And after that, in evening also, give 1 hour for reading current affairs. And tomorrow, read May 3rd week current affairs from one of your source. And after that, who are beginners, before going to sleep, attempt PO prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. And also, I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in my Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra. And also, who are beginners, if you have any doubts about these topics and also about this exam, you can freely ask in my Telegram group and I will provide that link in description. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and daily updates. And thank you.